welcome back to you all. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with chapter number 1 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is phrases and clauses. So, what is a phrase? What is a clause? Where are they used? Right? How can we identify them? That is all we are going to study about the phrases and the clauses as well. So, let us begin with the phrase first of all, right? So, first of all, they have explained that what is a phrase. So, let us see. A group of words that make sense but not complete sense on its own is called a phrase. ये phrase जो है वो एक ऐसा ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है जो कि सेंस तो बनाता है बट उसे अपना सेंस कंप्लीट करने के लिए कुछ और वर्ड्स की नीड होती है, राइट? दैट मीन्स इट कैन नॉट मेक अ कंप्लीट सेंस ऑन इट्स ओन. So that is why it is known as a phrase. A phrase does not have any finite verb. एक phrase के पास खुद की एक finite verb नहीं होती है. Study the following sentences. The group of words in color are phrases. Right? So, इनके पास अपनी खुद की finite verb नहीं होती है. तो अब नीचे दिए गए sentences को पढ़ते हैं. Right? The group of words in colors are phrases. जो sentences में जो colored words हैं वो हमारे phrases हैं, right? So let us have a look at the examples. The sun rises in the east. Here came a giant to my door. The tops of the mountains were covered with snow. I must start in a short time, right? तो हमने इन सेंटेंसेस में देखा कि ये जितने भी कलर्ड वर्ड्स हैं दे ऑल आर द phrases, right? So now they are saying that phrases are generally of 6 types. जो phrases हैं वो generally 6 तरीकों के होते हैं. They are the noun phrase, the adjective phrase, the adverbial phrase, the prepositional phrase, the conjunctional phrase and the interjectional phrase, right? तो ये सभी हमारे 6 तरीके के phrases होते हैं. Now, let us begin with the noun phrase. So let's read what is a noun phrase first of all. A noun phrase is usually assembled centering a single noun and works as a subject, an object or a complement in the sentence, right? तो एक noun phrase जो है वो usually assemble किया जाता है एक single noun को ध्यान में रखते हुए and works as a subject. वो एक सब्जेक्ट की तरह काम करता है, an object, एक ऑब्जेक्ट और a complement in the sentence, right? तो वो जो नाउन फ्रेज है वो एक सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट या फिर एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट की तरह काम कर सकता है, राइट? So now here we have examples. I like to swing the bat hard when I am at the crease. So here the phrase is an object, right? Next, reading novels is a good habit. So here reading novels is the phrase and it is acting as a subject, right? वही next example पे आते हैं. The probability of happening that match is not much. तो यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि ये जो पूरा हमारा phrase है colored वाला, it is acting as a subject, right? And we are sorry for her departure, right? तो यहाँ पर her departure is the phrase. Next we have the adverb phrase. Now let's see what was an adverb phrase. Next we have the adjective phrase. Now let's see what they are talking about the adjective phrase. So an adjective phrase is comprised of an adjective and works as a single adjective in the sentence. ये जो adjective phrase है ये adjectives को use करता है, right? और ये पूरे सेंटेंस में एक सिंगल एडजेक्टिव सेंटेंस में जो प्रेजेंट होता है उसकी जगह काम करता है, राइट? So the examples are Alex is a well-behaved man. He is a man of friendly nature. Julie is a woman of gorgeous type. He leads a very interesting life, right? उसी के बाद नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा adverbial phrase. Now let's see what is an adverbial phrase. An adverbial phrase modifies the verb or the adjective and works as an adverb in the sentence. ठीक है, adverb phrase जो है वो verb को modify करता है सबसे पहली चीज, right? और the adjective या फिर किसी adjective को and works as an adverb in the sentence. और वो एक sentence में एक adverb की तरह काम करता है, correct? Let us have a look at the examples. So the examples are: the horse runs at a good speed. I was in a hurry then. I ran as fast as possible. He works very slowly, right? Next that we have is the prepositional phrase. Now what is a prepositional phrase? So a prepositional phrase always begins with a preposition and connects nouns. Prepositional phrase जो है वो हमेशा एक preposition से शुरू होता है और साथ ही वो connect करता है उस preposition को nouns के साथ, right? Hence the examples are: he sacrificed his life for the sake of his country. In the end, we will have to die. He is on the way. In spite of working hard, he was insulted by his boss. Then we have a thinking note over here. Let us see. Note that preposition phrases include all the other types of phrases. कि prepositional phrase जो है उसमें वो सभी types के phrases जो है वो include किए जाते हैं, right? Next that we have is the conjunctional phrase. Now what is a conjunctional phrase? So conjunctional phrase works as a conjunction in the sentence. एक conjunctional phrase जो है वो sentence में एक conjunction की तरह ही काम करता है. So the examples are: as soon as you got in, he went out. We have to work hard so that we can win the next match. I will attend the ceremony provided that you come. John started working early in order to finish early, right? These were the conjunctional phrases. Now let us see the interjectional phrase, right? So what is an interjectional phrase now? Interjections that have more than one word are called the interjectional phrases. ये interjections जिसमें एक से ज्यादा word होता है उन्हें हम कहते हैं interjectional phrases, right? Example: what a pity is that. What a pleasure, I won the first prize, right? Oh, please don't say that again, right? So these were the interjectional phrases. So now coming up to the next topic that we have, which is the clauses, right? Now what are the clauses? Let us read them. The group of words which forms a part of a larger sentence and contains the subject and a verb is called a clause, right? तो एक ऐसा group of words जिसमें एक larger sentence का part हो, right? And contain the subject, और वो एक subject contain करता हो and a verb is called a clause, right? So study the following sentences. Group of words in color are clauses. अब यहाँ पर कुछ sentences हमें दिए हुए हैं जिन्हें हमें पढ़ना है और इनमें जो colored parts हैं, जो colored words हैं, they are actually the clauses of the sentence. So Examples are people who pay their debts are trusted. I think that you have made a mistake. He cannot start while it is raining. I know what she wants. Okay. Next, we have clauses are mainly of three types. जब जो clauses होते हैं वो usually three types के होते हैं. Right? So the very first type of clause is the noun clause. So let us read about the noun clause. This type of subordinate clause has the peculiar role to function as a noun within a sentence, right? So इस टाइप का जो सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज होता है उसका एक बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल होता है कि वो पूरे सेंटेंस में एक नाउन के साथ काम करे. तो अ नाउन क्लॉज मे हैव अ सब्जेक्ट. एक नाउन क्लॉज के पास ऑब्वियसली एक सब्जेक्ट तो होगा ही होगा. यूजुअली हैव द फाइनाइट वर्ब. एक फाइनाइट वर्ब होती है उसके पास. समटाइम मेक सेंस बाय इटसेल्फ. कभी कभी वो अकेले भी सेंस बना सकते हैं, राइट. एंड इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर और आफ्टर दी वर्ब. इसे हमेशा आफ्टर या बिफोर वर्ब ही प्लेस किया जाता है, राइट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दिस. सो लेट अस रीड. I do not know how it happened. He knows where I go. I must decide which English course to take. I wonder how long it will take to finish. Right? Next, we have the adjective clause. Now, what is an adjective clause? So, this category of clause works as an adjective in a sentence and thus is called an adjective clause. कि इस कैटेगरी में जो क्लॉज है वो सेंटेंस में एक एडजेक्टिव की तरह ही काम करते हैं और इसीलिए हम इन्हें एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज के नाम से जानते हैं. मूविंग अहेड, वी हैव सम एग्जांपल्स. तो ब्लेस्ड आर दोज who scares our feet. Right? He gave me $10 bill which I lost. The boy in the shop is my friend. He bought a beautiful brown chair. Right? Next, and the last, we have the adverb clause. Now let us read about it. This particular type of clause works as an adverb in a sentence and thus is called an adverb clause. Right? कि इस पर्टिकुलर टाइप का जो क्लॉज होता है वो एक एडवर्ब की तरह काम करता है एक सेंटेंस में और इसीलिए हम इसे एडवर्ब क्लॉज के नाम से जानते हैं. तो एग्जांपल्स आर कम बैक एज सून एज इट इज पॉसिबल. यू कैन गो wherever you want. Don't talk loud while she is sick. Eat so that they live. Right? So that was all about the phrases and clauses. I hope you all are clear with the concepts of phrases, clauses, as well as with their kinds. So that was all from my side. I hope you all learned something from this video. So thank you so much and have a great day ahead.